Brand, BlenderBottle. Material, plastic bottle. Type, shaker bottle. Color, black. Capacity, 1.8 pounds. The BlenderBottle Classic Shaker Bottle is a top-notch product that caters to the needs of every individual, making it an indispensable tool in the modern kitchen. With its sturdy build, innovative design, and efficient functionality, this shaker bottle stands out from its competitors. One of the standout features of the BlenderBottle Classic Shaker Bottle is its high-quality plastic material. The use of durable plastic ensures that the bottle withstands frequent use, maintaining its integrity for an extended period. It not only guarantees longevity, but also ensures that no harmful chemicals are released into the contents of the bottle. The shaker bottle's design incorporates a unique shaker ball, which plays a significant role in achieving the desired consistency of drinks. This ball helps in effectively blending protein shake smoothies and supplements to perfection. Its presence,